that?
It's a road. Like a road. It's a building.
Where's your building?
Here.
Where's your dump truck?
Here.
Your dump truck is carrying a
Logs.
logs?
Yeah. And that is under truck and under a dot.
What's the sound of your dump truck? Is that the sound?
Yeah.
Where's the bell of your dump truck? Louder. Usga. Very good. Where's your house?
Here.
Wow.
Let's go build tiny logs.
Who lives in your house?
Nanny.
Nani?
Yeah, building truck.
What about Mama and Papa?
No. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, the mama, papa is here to help. The building's here. And what's mama name and papa nani and Lola Lulukuloy?
Wow.
Lulukuloy is building a dump truck and they drive and seeing.
Wow.
Lulu is driving on a dump truck because we carry the building in the front.
Wow.
Dump truck, we out on the road because there's a bumpy rock there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because there's a boat under the wire.
Wow.
We need to cross the river and there and a house and let's build and because the boat is here to help me.
Are you gonna cross the river?
Yeah.
What else?
The boat will cross the river safe. The dump truck here.
Wow.
Because there's some hungry shark in the water.
Hungry
Sharks on
Shark?
the water.
sharks in the water. Wow.
Let's go cross the river there. And
But
let's
but that's not a boat. It's a dump truck. How are you gonna cross the river? Uy, how are you gonna cross the river?
There's more and the logs here are coming on the dump truck mini.
Is that a boat or a dump truck?
Dump truck.
Anong mag-cross man sa river?
Kay mabangga ka anak kung.
Dili man siya ship, ay dili man siya boat. Nganong mag-cross man sa river? Na si Tito? Are you afraid of Tito? Akong kape ha, ma. Banggaan na. Ali. Kasabi si Tito. Kasabi si Tito. Kasabi si Tito, na bad.
Bad.
La. Nga, no, Tito. Don't do that. Nga, I'm scared in the dark. What animals are there in the river?
There's more animals here.
In the river, man. Unsay nasa river? Number 1 is? What animals? Uy. Is there a crocodile?
No, this not a crocodile. It's a dump truck here.
Did sa river, man? Is there a crocodile in the river?
No,
Why?
kay mapaka sa dump truck.
Makuan siya sa dump truck. Maligsan. What about your house?
Yeah, here it is.
Who's inside the house?
There's animals and animals.
Animals ang inside sa house?
Oo.
What animals? What animals?
Wala na si Tito Justin.
Si Tito Justin. Wala man. What animals are inside the house? Uy, mayang ka. Ay, pag-climb. Climb? Diyan ka sa ubos. Is that a log?
Can you build a building, please?
Unsa day na? It's your building, di ba?
No. Let's build. Come on. You're strong.
Tito. Can you ask Tito?
No.
No? What will I do?
We built a tower here.
Ayan.
No.
Tower makaha.
Dani sa dump truck na kani. Dili man anak dani sa dump truck ang building.
Kanira. Pak.
Pap,
Oh, kanida yun. Dali.
dili man good kay mahulog.
Kay tower. Dili man mahulog. Tower man na.
Dili man hulog na.
Mahulog na.
Hulog man na kay mag-build man na kani. This.
Unsaon lugar ni? Wala na na.
Oo, wala.
Apil man na sa house. I-apil sa house.
Capture the camera.
What happened? The dump truck is...
Hurry, you the lost here.
Uh-oh. What about this one? Hoy kani. Sama ni. Wala na ni apil. Napao. Para sa house. Apil pa na, dili na.
Dili na.
Apil man na, kay sa house man na. Ay, sakay na lang sa dump truck.
Dili. Pip, pip, pip.
Call for help. Call for help. Use the bell. Use the bell na.
Okay. Can we hear the dog?
Louder na. Kusga. Kusga ba?
Uh-oh.
Naguba na imong dump truck.
I'm gonna look serious.
How di Carabao? Ah! Dili siya maka-cross sa logs. Oo. Dito na lang sa kilid, Agi. Agi siya sa side. Na magubay mong house. Magubay mong house. Kape tayo. Where's your mom and dad? Naglaro pa ng pickleball. Yung papa niya dun sa hinaguan. Wow! The dump truck crossed the logs. What about that one? What are you gonna do with that? Saan man na nimo? Saan na nimo?
Nag-build ko ba
Build og
of tower?
tower. Si bye-bye sa diri be. Bye-bye. Dili ka sa video.
Bye-bye!